If you're an NAAL locator member, you have an agent profile that shows on the NAAL website under Find a Locator. When you first sign up, you're going to need some time to complete your agent profile, and we have another video that explains how to do that. So until your profile is complete, it's going to be hidden from the website. We don't want a bunch of agent profiles that are incomplete, or you just haven't had a chance to go through and set up your agent profile the way you want. We don't want those showing on the front end of the website. So by default, your profile is going to be hidden. And when you complete your agent profile and you're ready for it to be displayed on the website, simply go to your locator member dashboard, go to My Profile, and down here just uncheck this button. And then I'm going to get an email and I will know that you're finished with your profile, and I'll go in and make your agent profile visible on the website. That way, there's no pressure from us for how long it takes you to complete your agent profile. And we actually have some locators who are in the process of setting up their companies, and so they don't want an agent profile showing up at all. So this gives you the flexibility to hide or unhide your agent profile from the front end of the website at your convenience. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.